Arnold is a new production render. 3ds Max by default scanline render is still available, but they no longer being updated and they does not have advanced capability that Arnold currently does. Arnold developed by Solid Angle. Arnold Strength. Arnold is a very fast render. It provides photoreal result in a short time, and it's also a very flexible and reliable render, so it's a leader in 3D motion graphics industry. Arnold also have cross application compatibility. It create bridge with other 3D applications or game engine. Now we talk about key concept of Arnold rendering. Arnold is a physical base material. It's use physical base material and lighting properties for lighting and material. In Arnold, you get more accurate simulation with material and light, and you get great realism with less effort. And if we talk about algorithm that Arnold used to render, Arnold render use brute force algorithm to render. In this process, global illumination is calculated for every pixel in every frame. So brute force going to slower because it does more work. But in Arnold, brute force is optimized and it's very fast. Arnold is an unbiased render. It means no mathematical calculation involved to speed up in render process. Arnold is a physical base and it's set up by default to conserve energy. In the simple words, software automatically calculate how light wave in an area. To optimize simulation, Arnold have lot of controllers over accuracy by global or each individual light and material. We can control sampling or ray depth also. And you can also achieve non-physical artistic effect by changing light bounces or color bleed. It's a brief introduction about Arnold and Arnold key concept. Now we streamline 3ds Max for Arnold rendering. So first change that we make, click on this teapot with gear icon. It's render setup, or you can also access from the rendering menu. In target dropdown, we choose production rendering mode, but some cases we also use active shade mode. And in the renderer, we choose Arnold. These settings also available in the bottom of this window. Click on the assign renderer, and you can make changes by clicking on these buttons, or you can also save this setting as a default by clicking on this big button. Now close this. For second change, click on customize and then click custom default switcher and select max art. Max art UI layout follow physical base material, so no error will come when you render. Click on set button. It's take few moments and then restart your 3ds Max. These are some settings that we need to change before start Arnold rendering. Now I meet in the next class and start Arnold rendering.